Adding a simple clamp to the grinder flange shaft sounded like one of those random, improvised ideas that wouldn't make any real difference. But after testing this modification, I realized I was completely wrong. The adjustment changed the way the tool could be used and added a level of practicality I honestly didn't expect. What's even more surprising is that many people have an old grinder sitting at home without realizing it can become far more useful with such a small change. After the adaptation, even simple yard work became faster and easier to handle. It's one of those inexpensive, creative, and highly practical tricks that seems strange at first, but makes perfect sense once you actually see it working.